stuck in the snow, would you? Huh?
I knew I should have brought extra clothes. Linda, give me a pillow, man.
You should have known to come straight here.
No, well, Cassan said
Cassan
it'll start at 10 o'clock, okay? I didn't know it was
But when
starting
you,
at 9.
okay, when you got from work, what did you see?
No,
Okay, what did it tell you?
to go home.
Which home? It's okay, man. I'm not crying here. Take your pillow. Stop crying. Stop.
I'm not crying. My eye's itchy. Give me the clean pillow.
No, I don't want that nasty pillow.
I had all clean pillows, man. Michael stole all my pillows.
I ain't gonna take my hat and walk away and come back with it, bitch. Mental kid.